The island is frantically searching for their loved one. 74-year-old Crucita Alvarado has been missing for 7 days. News 12 Brooklyn's Amanda Placencia spoke with her family, who's asking for help.
It's been 7 days and still no sight of Crucita Lucy Alvarado. Her family is panicked because this elderly woman has Alzheimer's. They have posted flyers all over Coney Island as they search for any trace of their loved one. Alvarado is well known and loved in the community. Although she has Alzheimer's, she has a regular routine. She could usually be found relaxing near her home or hanging out near this Rite Aid. She is described as Hispanic, 5'2" tall, and about 130 pounds. She was last seen wearing an orange shirt and black sweatpants. The family and police have been searching the entire neighborhood, but so far she hasn't turned up. The community even came out to pray and hand out more flyers today. Her family is devastated right now, but they're just hoping she's safe wherever she is.
We're just looking to find her. It's really hard, and we need that help.
She's very vulnerable. She's a nice person. She smokes cigars. We want your help. Please, just take this moment, and if it was your mother, we know we would be there for you guys as well. Please help us.
Her family is pleading for everyone to keep an eye out for this woman so they can be reunited with their loved one as soon as possible. Reporting on Coney Island, Amanda Placencia, News 12 Brooklyn.
Now, Crucita is also diabetic and will need medication if she's found. If you have any information on her whereabouts, call Crime Stoppers. That number is 1-800-577-TIPS.